Are you trying to lose inches, detoxify, or ease the appearance of unsightly skin blemishes like cellulite and stretch marks? Have you tried spa treatments in the past only to be unimpressed with the results or the exorbitant price tags? If so, you are going to want to try the Brazilian Bell Detox Clay Body Wraps Home Spa Series. Made with 4 powerhouse ingredients, these powerful yet gentle ingredients have been used to cleanse, detoxify, tone, and firm the skin, absorb and remove toxins, heavy metals, impurities, and chemicals, lighten blemishes such as stretch marks and cellulite, and reduce the appearance of skin imperfections such as acne. It is the perfect ultimate body sculpting kit, and the best of all is that it can be done from the comfort of your living room in just minutes. See it in action. This means there is nothing to lose except inches. Click on this video or look in the comment section for the link to learn more. Get yours today and start experiencing spa quality results right from the comfort of your living room.